charged in and gave up the foul.
Berhel Meneses being watched closely. I mean closely by David Henderson, but Meneses gets away. Oh! What a way to score your first 2 points in the PBA.
And he got it over the outstretched arms of a bigger player. Henderson faked off. Meneses going to his strong side. Tanuan helping out, but he still manages to make it off the glass for his first 2 points.
Meneses stands in. That's what the crowd was waiting for from Berhel Meneses. And they're getting it.
You know, Meneses was born to play in the pros because of his great one-on-one ability. You know, he is an open court player, just like possibly a Ferdinand Ravena who was playing for San Miguel. Both of them are good one-on-one players in open court. Now, Berhel is more refined because of his experience, and he has a better medium for that isolation play.
There's Choi Estrada already at work against Berhel Meneses. Turnaround jumper. Meneses gets a second try, and again he'll get a 3-point play. Already had 2 3-point plays. Now he'll have an opportunity to get a third.
See, Estrada guards him well by staking his claim on the spot where he puts the defense. The only problem is afterwards, Berhel is taller than he is and has greater leaping ability to get that offensive rebound.